Hi and welcome back. It's time to make our dish that we're going to go ahead and bring to our family reunion. The one that was supposed to be in April and never happened because of all the rain and the flooding that we had earlier this year. Now that it's in September, it's fall. We are in our second season of False Fall. It was 60 degrees today. This morning whenever we woke up, it was all nice and set in the 70s yesterday. So I had all the windows open, got all the laundry done, all the stuff that you're going to need to do for getting ready for winter. And now it's 90 degrees again. So the second false fall lasted a day and a half. This year I am in charge of bringing the pink fluff. You can use cherry or strawberry, doesn't matter which one, it's personal preference. And it's kind of like a really super sweet pudding. They call it a salad. There is also a pistachio fluff or green fluff that is also common in the Midwest, and Ambrosia Salad. So those are the three that are out there, the most popular ones. You can take the basic ingredients from those and make your own. If you want to make like an orange or a lemon fluff, you can. There's no rules to this, but it is completely up to you. Today we're going to go ahead and make the pink fluff. And since each one of these is going to take maybe 5 minutes each, maybe, I'm going to do two. I'm going to use the pink fluff, which is I'm using cherry, and Ambrosia Salad. Let's get started. Pink fluff. You're going to want a bowl. I got my Tupperware bowl. I found this at an auction. My mom's got the same one. I've got this one and a smaller one. Cherry pie filling. You can use strawberry. And you can use, if you have this already canned, all you need is about 20 ounces, which is approximately a pint and a half of the filling. You don't need to purchase any, but I've gone ahead and purchased everything because I don't have any, I have pear pie filling, but I don't have anything cherry. A 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. A whole tub of whipped topping or Cool Whip. This is a cheaper by about $1. And crushed pineapple. You want the 20-ounce can. And if you have this already canned, be about a pint and a half. You also want to go ahead and get out your coconut flakes because you're going to need them for both of these recipes. You're going to want to strain the pineapple. Dump in your condensed milk. As slow as it will go. Look at that. You want to add your cherry pie filling. Then you want to go ahead and combine all this stuff. before we add the rest of the ingredients. One cup of coconut flakes. Now you can add nuts to this. I'm not going to add any nuts to this because there are people there who are not going to be able to eat nuts. So out of respect, I'm going to leave those out. 1 whole tub of the whipped topping. And you want to fold this in. And make sure everything gets nice and evenly distributed. I can't talk today. See how that becomes nice and pink? Then you want to add a cup of marshmallows. Actually, the recipe says 2 cups, so we're going to go ahead and eyeball it. And don't forget to make a mess. Mix it all in and cover and refrigerate overnight is preferred. Minimum of 1 hour if you are in a hurry. But we're making this the night before, so we've got some time. Make it all nice and pretty. And don't forget to lick the spoon. Make sure that it has the right taste. You want to put this in the refrigerator. Now, Ambrosia Salad is the same. Different ingredients. All you need to do is open up some cans and mix things together. None of these need cooking. None of these need any work at all. Just a few measurements and to drain the juice. Okay. We're going to need a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges. You can use your canned mandarin oranges if you wish. Yes, you can can mandarin oranges. There's just a trick to it that I haven't figured it out yet. And if you want to drink the juice, go ahead and strain it into a cup. We used to do this all the time. You want to strain your pineapple as well. Another can, 20 ounces. This is the crushed pineapple. Into your cup. It takes longer to strain the fruit than to make the entire salad. Okay, now we have this. We are going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of coconut flakes, 1.5 cups of the mini marshmallows, and 1 whole tub, 8 ounces of Cool Whip or whipped topping. This is $1.07 over at Walmart. The brand was $1.97, so you can save a little bit of money. It doesn't cost anything to be able to buy this or to make it. I think the ingredients for both of these salads cost me maybe $20. These maraschino cherries were about $4. So if you actually have these already canned, which I do, I'm just not going to use it for this, then you can go ahead and use your own cherries. Okay, and here is Ambrosia Salad. The cherries are actually optional. I'm going to go ahead and add some to this, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I do recommend using the cherries though, because it gives it a different flavor than just the pineapple and the orange. I'm only going to use about half of the jar, and this is a 16 ouncer. Okay, and the cherries will turn a little bit pink, but it's not as bad as the pink fluff. Refrigerate overnight, an hour minimum, and if you got 2 salads. I told you, this is not going to take that long. And don't forget to lick the spoon to make sure that everything tastes the way you're supposed to taste it. If it needs more cherries, add more cherries. If it needs nuts, add nuts. It's personal preference with those two. But because, like I said, because we do have people there that cannot chew on any nuts because they don't have any teeth, I'm going to go ahead and omit that from these two salads. Well, now that we've made the most popular dish in the Midwest for picnics and family gatherings, it is becoming canning season again. Today is the first day of archery season for hunting the deer. So Grandpa is actually not coming home tonight. Hopefully he'll be able to have enough sleep to where he'll be able to make it to the family reunion. It is soup season. It is stew season, chili season, lots of seasons. We're going to be very busy. Cross our fingers. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.